How to receive money from Wise in the Philippines. I'm going to tell you how to receive money through Wise in the Philippines. First, ensure you have a Wise account. If you don't, sign up at wise.com. Once your account is set up, provide the sender with your Wise account details. This typically includes your email address associated with Wise or specific bank details provided by Wise for receiving funds. The sender will initiate the transfer using their Wise account, entering your details and the amount to send. You'll receive a notification from Wise once the transaction is complete. The funds will be deposited into your Wise account. From there, you can withdraw the money from your local Philippines bank account, link your bank account in the Wise app or website, and initiate the withdrawal. Transfer to local banks usually take 1 to 2 business days.